Hi everyone, this is Brian. I'm a home and commercial inspector with National Property Inspections. Today, let's talk about your dryer vent. Your dryer vent is one of those understated parts of your home that can pose a big safety issue if you don't take care of it a few times a year. Your dryer vent is a small vent that runs from your dryer to the outside of your house. In order to get clothing dry, it actually works to remove the moisture and push it outdoors so you're left with clean, dry laundry. Now this vent, as you can imagine, can get clogged pretty easily with lint and debris from clothing, and that's where you face a potential issue. Lint is highly flammable material, and dryers naturally run hot. There's a potential fire hazard that we want to prevent at all costs. And of course, keeping the vent clean does improve your dryer's efficiency and prolong its lifespan. So to clean your dryer vent, here's how it's done. Before we get started, you'll need a couple supplies, a vacuum cleaner and a brush. First, you'll need to locate your dryer vent. Pull the dryer out from the wall and find the short exhaust pipe on the back of the appliance near the floor. Then go ahead and unplug your dryer and pull the vent pipe away from the wall duct. You can be pretty gentle. Just apply a little pressure and it should come right out. Next, you'll want to vacuum out the vent to get any lint out of there. You can also go ahead and vacuum the outside of the duct. It's best to go back in with a brush to really loosen up and remove any lint, debris, and grime. Once you're finished, you'll probably have some vacuuming to do around you, especially if it's been a while since you last cleaned your dryer vent. Finally, you'll reattach the vent pipe and push the dryer back in place. Don't forget to plug it back in. This has been Brian with National Property Inspections, your premier home and commercial property inspection company. Feel free to reach out to your local inspector with any questions. We appreciate you joining us today, and we'll see you in our next video.